Have you ever wondered what sets highly successful people apart? It's not luck. It's not just talent. It's habits. Powerful daily actions that shape their success, one step at a time. In this video, I'll share the top 5 habits successful people swear by, and how you can apply them in your life starting today. Wake up early. Successful people don't hit snooze. They wake up early, often between 4:30 and 6 a.m. Why? Because the early hours are quiet, distraction-free, and full of mental clarity. It's their time to exercise, meditate, plan, or simply think. Waking up early gives them a head start while the rest of the world sleeps. Set clear goals. Successful people know exactly what they're working toward. They don't drift through the day. They direct it. Each morning, they review their short-term tasks and long-term visions. This habit turns vague dreams into real, measurable progress. Keep learning. Whether it's reading books, listening to podcasts, or taking courses, successful people never stop learning. They treat learning like brushing their teeth, non-negotiable, because growth is the fuel for new ideas, better decisions, and more confidence. Exercise and self-care. You can't pour from an empty cup. That's why successful people prioritize physical health and mental balance. A strong body supports a sharp mind. They move daily, yoga, walking, gym, even just stretching. And they rest. They set boundaries. They recharge. Reflect and plan daily. The most successful people don't just react. They reflect. They ask, what worked? What didn't? What can I do better tomorrow? This nightly habit helps them reset, stay grounded, and improve, bit by bit, every single day. So there you have it, the 5 daily habits that drive success. Remember, greatness isn't built overnight. It's built in the small things you do. Every morning, every evening, every choice.